is Loxodonta, the African elephant. Its hide. It now looks like luxury leather. It is stretched to maximize every square.
Cost, paid in silence. It is a symbol of wealth, of exclusivity. A texture so rare, it commands $1 million price tag. But this luxury hides a forbidden secret. This is not what it appears to be.
This is Loxodonta, the African elephant. Its hide is its armor. And for a hidden network, it is a raw material. This is elephant leather.
The process begins here, at an anonymous, illegal tannery, hidden from the world. This is the raw material. It is thick, tough, and almost unrecognizable.
It is immediately moved to the first stage.
But how does a forbidden material enter the legitimate, multi-trillion-dollar luxury market? Runoff is often discharged, untreated, poisoning the very land the animals came from. But the elephant hide is still too thick. It must be split. A high-speed blade shaves the hide into multiple layers, multiplying the profit from a single animal.
One hide now becomes 3. The stage is set for the final deception. The leather must be neutralized. This is retanning and dyeing.
Vegetable tannins, synthetic dyes, and oils are added. The color is chosen: jet black, dark brown, ox blood.
The transformation is almost complete. It now looks like luxury leather.
It is stretched to maximize every square inch and prepared for drying.
A precise drying process removes all moisture, locking the chemicals in.
multi-million-dollar process has a cost that cannot be calculated.
A cost paid in silence, far from the luxury stores.